So folks, here's a little teaser for you. We recently filmed a TV documentary for the BBC. Very exciting and very hard work that was.
It's going to be on iPlayer, BBC iPlayer on the 16th of August, that's next Friday. Keep an eye out for it there, and then it'll be on live TV on the 11th of October. We'll let you know the exact time as soon as we know. In the meantime, enjoy the teaser. Should we go look for a mine?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Look at that. What a sneaky one, this one.
Yeah. Cave pools everywhere.
Hi folks, thanks for following us, and please like, subscribe and share.
Let's go explore a mine.
Let's go.
So today, this evening, we are going to the secret copper mine.
Here we are.
We're going to go in there now and see the real good stuff. Right, Al drew the short straw.
How was your dry suit day?
It's dry.
Onwards and upwards.
Onwards and upwards, right, okay.
And now we're in this crazy mine.
Now we're in this one.
Hello. Oh my god.
Look at this.
I've never seen anything like it. Look at the cable still.
Look at it. Oh my god! So this is going to be a proper adventure.
Is there a shaft here somewhere?
So have a look at that. It just looks very innocent, doesn't it?
There it is. I'm stuck. Never seen anything like it in my life.
Oh! Ooh, look at this! Now that there is an artifact. A completely game-changing artifact.